W Riz. Oh damn, that's crazy.
Yeah, some of those boys coming out the trash can, bro. Back to it, Ricky.
No, bro, no. Hey, that's funny. Damn. Well, I got 2 hours left. Man, she got a whole shower in the car wash though. One way go. Let's go real loud. Damn. What's going on? Bro, screaming. Yo! Hey, that one almost got me. That almost got me. Yo!
You know what happened last time? Just
Oh my god, that's so much water. Jesus. Dude, that's crazy. I'm sorry, yo. I'm sorry, don't comment that. I don't want to hear no one comment like this in the comments, alright? Bro, listen, man. Listen. Type 1 if you're single, man. Listen. All you single guys, single girls, man, it's okay. If you want from, I promise you. Kenny is crazy. Like, why look at the sound like that? Like, you know it's not true. That's crazy. Scared.
Wake up, come on, release. Oh,
Bro got comfy. Damn. Bro's not human. Oh, it's not human.
no way.
Here you go. What did you say? That's crazy. It's gonna be funny if they watch it. Dude, you stared at it for a second. That was perfect. Oh my god, that was great. Yo, comment down below, that was funny as hell.